How to put mentioned story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually put a mentioned story on Instagram. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. In order to put a mentioned story on Instagram, if you've been mentioned in a story, how do you add it to your story? Or even if you've not been mentioned in a story, how do you add that story to your own specific story? So I will show you both of the scenarios. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, I'll go ahead and open up Instagram and make sure I'm signed into my account, right? So currently you can see that I'm mentioned in one of the story. As you can see, this person basically tagged me. One way I can simply add this to my story is just by tapping the add to your story, because you will most likely get a DM or notification. You can just tap on add this to your story, or you can simply open the story over here and then you'll find the add this to your story button, only because I am mentioned in it. And if I'm not mentioned, I will not find the add this to your story, but if I'm mentioned, you can see I will be able to directly add the story to my own specific story. This is simply how you can add a mentioned story to your own story. But on another occasion, let's say that you have not been mentioned on a specific story, right? Well, in that case, what you can also try to do is just open up that specific story and then just go ahead and then try to take a screenshot. Once you take a screenshot of that story, you can just come back. If you want, you can crop that story and so on, but I'm just going to leave it at that. Then I'm going to go about creating my simple story. I will choose that specific photo. I'll just zoom out a little bit and then I'll mention that person in return. It will just be like I'm resharing that person's story to my own story. But this is the only thing we can do. Keep in mind, if you have been mentioned, you can add directly to your story. If you have not been mentioned, you have to take a screenshot or maybe record a video or whatever else is convenient for you. Hope this video helped you answer your question, and if it did help answer your question, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.